Roses are red, violets are blue. You've all been waiting. Uniswap on L2. That's the news we've got this morning from Optimism. So they have launched scaling version of Uniswap. They've also upgraded a number of the tools that we love to use, MetaMask and Etherscan. So if you head over to Uniswap, it won't appear there automatically. You do need to select Optimism as your network from your drop-down menu. Now that's not going to appear there automatically. So you do have to go back into your settings here, scroll down, click networks, add network, plug in these metrics, which I'll link below. But if you go to this website, you can actually just click here and it'll populate all that information automatically for you into your MetaMask. So once we go back to Uniswap and then select optimistic Ethereum, now this is going to pop up. You can head over to Optimism to the gateway. I'll also link that down below for you. All you need to do is connect your wallet the same as you always do. Click sign if that's the first time you've done it, like our MetaMask will pop up. And the first thing you want to do is deposit some Ethereum from mainnet over to the optimistic network. And now I've already done that because that step does take around 10 minutes and it does cost the same as a normal transaction because that's the first time that you're opening up that gateway. But once you're over there, you're there for good. That channel or that gateway remains open. So that's the deposit or withdrawal. Let's go back over to Uniswap now and let's change to Optimism. And it's going to pop up. Now, let's go from ETH to DAI. It's great to see a few tokens, and I'm sure they're going to keep adding more. Let's just do $10 roughly worth, $20, and I want to show you how quick this is. So let's click on swap. Again, first time it's going to ask you to sign. So have a look at this for a gas fee. So this is, 0.01, 100 times cheaper. It's just amazing. So click, bang, done. That is Uniswap from now on, guys. It's going to cost you a cent to do a transaction, and it's going to take less than a second. The future is here. This is why I've been excited and saying that this is only weeks away, guys. It's big competition for all these other networks now that were cheaper, quicker, faster, whatever. One by one, we're going to see all the blue chip projects become this cheap and this fast. Like, it's mind-blowing. That's why I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. And head over and try it out.